How to move text in Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to move text in your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the dashboard you can navigate to the online store here. You can click on it, and then this is the theme page. As you can see, this is my theme. So basically you can use another theme like horizon or down theme. It's up to you. I'm using Tinker now. So you can go to edit theme here, click on it, and then you will be redirected to the website editor here. As you can see, this is my home page. So let's say you want to text move. So first we have to create a section, new section. So I'm gonna create new section here, and then it's gonna be text. So let's search text. Maybe we're gonna add rich text here. So, okay, I have created new section. This is a rich text. So as you can see in the rich text, there is three elements. So there is the text and then the description and the button. And then you can choose if you want to make it vertical or horizontal. It's up to you. So maybe vertical here. So we can go back to the rich page and we can go back. And then as you can see in the rich page, there is heading, text and button. So the heading is this one. This is the heading and this is the text. And also this is the button. So basically, if you want to move the text or the heading, you can just drag and drop like this. And it will move, and maybe you want to move the button, you can click the button, drag and drop like this and it's move. So you can see that's very simple, right? And if you want to move the section, you can just drag and drop also. So maybe you want to move it in this one, you can just click on it and it's move. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.